Hello everyone. Most of the people wants to learn English. They want to speak English fluently and effortlessly. But is it possible? Yes, it is possible through proper training and proper learning. So today I am giving you some techniques to learn English fluently and effortlessly. So let's start. The first step is set your goal first. Most of the people, they want to learn English but they don't have any goals. That means you have to first set your goal. What is that you want to learn and why you want to learn? And within what time span that you want to learn? Say for example, in 3 months, I want to learn how to speak effectively. In 6 months, I want to give a public speech. So make a very clear goal. Most of the people, they don't have any goal. They don't know why they want to learn English. It may be for your business purpose, or you may be a student and you want to improve your communication skills, or you are approaching for a new job where you want to speak English fluently. So set your goal first, why you want to learn English, and then learn accordingly. This is the first step. And the second step is keep your English journal. Yes, my dear friends, keep writing every day some sentences. What you're doing, write your thoughts, write your emotions, write your feelings, how you're feeling today, and what is that you're feeling grateful for. So keep writing what is your current day feeling, because this is how you can express your feelings, you can express your emotions to others. And learning English is very easy task if you follow these steps. So keep your English journal and keep writing some of the other things every day on the same time. The third tip to learn English effectively is to read good books. Yes, dear friends, you need to have good vocabulary. If you don't have vocabulary, you will be not confident while speaking English. So to have a good vocabulary, read good English books. There are a lot of books like Think and Grow Rich, Secret, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. So these books will improve your vocabulary as well as it will improve as your personality also. So you can do two things at the same time. You can learn English as well as you can improve your personality. So read good English books. Initially go with small books and you can follow your topic, and then you can just go on with the topics of higher level English. So this is how you can learn English, by following reading books. The next step is watching English films or series. There are a lot of good English films, there are a lot of good Netflix series or Amazon series. So you can watch those English films with subtitles, because when you watch film, you understand the pronunciation of native English speakers. Because most of the times when you hear English speakers from India, they have a different slang, they have a different accent. But when you listen to the other speakers from other countries who are native speakers, you can learn better English from them. So keep watching good English movies or series with English subtitles. Initially, even if you don't understand, don't worry, you understand the meaning, but you understand the pronunciation of the speakers. The next step is, if you love music, listen to English songs and sing those songs, because in songs you will understand the comprehension as well as you understand the pronunciation as well, and there is a fluency as well. So listen to English songs and try to sing those English songs. Initially, I am very sure that you will find difficult, but in due course of time, you will learn English effectively and fluently. The next step is, don't try to understand completely. Yes, my dear friends, when you hear English from a native speaker, or when you read an English book, or when you listen to English song, or when you see an English movie, sometimes you don't understand the entire sentence. So it's okay, just try to get the meaning of that particular sentence or a phrase. That's okay. So it is not possible to understand the complete English word at once, but you will understand the meaning of it. So try to understand the meaning, but don't try to understand all the aspects of English words. Initially, that's well and good, no problem. The next step is audiobooks. There are a lot of audiobooks available that would be in English, and this will improve your communication. Because why I'm telling you, how did you learn your mother tongue? Maybe your mother tongue is Telugu or Hindi or Malayalam or Kannada or whatever it is. How did you learn your mother tongue? You learned your mother tongue by listening to it. So listening skill is one of the most important skill which we actually neglect. So once you start listening English speeches, maybe it is audiobooks or listening to TED Talks or Toastmasters speeches. So these things will improve your English to a lot extent. So watch and listen English videos and English audios, because by listening more, when you listen more, you can speak fluently and you will have a good vocabulary as well. The next is try to learn from your mistakes. Most of the times what happens, you keep speaking English and sometimes you make mistake and people will laugh at you, but don't worry. It is a learning curve. Learn from your mistakes and don't try to make the same mistake again and again. When you speak English for the first time, there may be problem with your grammar, or maybe there is a problem with your pronunciation, or maybe there is sometimes problem you don't make sentence at all. But don't worry, it is just a learning curve. You will keep learning. Just like how a child learns how to speak Telugu or how to speak Hindi or Marathi. You can also learn language by making mistakes. Initially, just start following these steps and slowly start learning from your mistakes as well. Make English as a part of your life. Just like eating, sleeping, watching TV. So take time, take 20 minutes, 30 minutes of time and keep practicing English. Start practicing and speaking English every day. Make a habit of doing it now. Come what may, you are going to learn English, and set a goal. In next 30 days, I am going to speak English, and next 60 days, I am going to give my public speech in English. So set your goals, and whenever you get chance, maybe within your family or maybe your friends or wherever you go outside, whenever you get chance to speak in English, take that chance and grab the opportunity and try to speak in English. Don't lose the opportunity. And the next important thing is keep an accountability partner. Select one person from your friends or from your family with whom you are going to talk only in English. Whether you make mistake or not make mistakes, it does not matter. But try to have communication only in English, because this language can be learned only by speaking and by practicing it. You can't learn just by listening it. You can't learn cycling just by watching a video or just by looking at the book, right? You have to practice cycling. The same way, English speaking is also the same thing. Any skill can be learned by mastered and after only practice. So keep practicing. I hope all these techniques will be very useful for you if you practice it every day. So practicing it every day will make you fluent and effective speaker in English. We'll be making more videos on speaking English and how to speak effectively. We will be making a series of videos by which you can learn very easily. And subscribe to Impact channel, because we are providing lot of good content and it would be very useful for a lot of people. And subscribe and share this channel with your friends and family members, and keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.